Welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss the quick revision of the subject business research method. Okay, I have done the short notes exam preparation thing ma. So in this video I will completely discuss quickly. We will revise what are the things you have learned in this particular subject ma. See, first we have learned about the research. Then what is mean by research? Research is nothing about the systematic form of telling about the truth to get the solution for the particular problem. That is the research. Why we will do research? To get the solution to the specified problem. Yes, and what are the key points you can include in this research answer? Means if you are getting a research word in the question, means you can include these points. What are the points? Careful investigation or deep investigation or keenly observation, use logical and scientific methods like statistical methods, aims, goals to solve problems, okay, and gain knowledge also. So these are the various key points you should use it in your answer ma. Okay, so that is important. Next, what is the goals of research? What are the various objectives? First one ma, to gain insights, that for that sake this research is important. To diagnose the problem, what is the exact why that problem is coming in our organization, to define that this research is important. To test the hypothesis, what it happens in the future. Hypothesis is nothing about the prediction. And to find the solution for the practice issue, what are the practical issues we are having in real time investigations, what are the things we are having, for that you are finding the solutions. Okay, and things more types of research. In these types of research we have learned basic research, historical research, exploratory research, descriptive research. Yes or no? So it is nothing about the applied research, is nothing about to solve practical problems. Exploratory research is nothing about to explore new ideas, new innovations in the organization, as you can see on the screen. Yes, so these are the various types of research you can write. If you want to write, means you can write it ma. Next one, research process. What is the steps? First you need to identify your problem. Yes, after identifying it, you need to review for it, you need to take the prediction, then you need to take the data, you need to collect the data, you need to analyze the data, and you need to prepare the report writing also. So these are the various steps, and you can draw this in the diagrammatical format like this. Whatever the thing you have learned, no, you present that answer in the diagrammatical format. Okay, next you have learned sampling methods ma. Sampling methods is nothing about how much equality chance of getting. Sampling is nothing about with the help of some total quantity of the product you are taking the sample thing. Yes, probability sampling is nothing about equal chance, every item will get the equal chance, that is called probability sampling. In probability sampling you will have systematic, cluster, random, stratified sampling you people will have in that. Okay, then what is mean by non-probability sampling? Means not every item will have a chance, like it depends on how much answers will get in the particular answer thing. So that is called non-probability sampling. In this you will have judgmental sampling, quota sampling, convenience sampling. Yes, this is important. Next you have learned hypothesis. Hypothesis is something about the prediction, assuming whether it may happen or it may not happen. So it is just a temporary assumption. So in this hypothesis you will have null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis is nothing about H0, alternative hypothesis is nothing about H1. In this you have learned type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is nothing about rejecting true, accepting nil, and accepting nil, rejecting true, that is type 2. So this is the things ma. And if hypothesis answer is getting, means draw this diagram. Okay, this one, as you can see in the screen, this is the diagram of hypothesis, you should draw it. Okay, and next one, data collection. How we will collect the data? There are different forms to collect: individual survey, yes, and published source of books, observation, experiments, interviews. These are the various methods we have learned to collect the data in the organization. Yes, next you have learned research design also, how flexible your insights will be, how cause effects will be, how you are designing your organization, how exploratory design, research design will work. Everything we have learned in this also. Yes or no? Next, what are the various statistical tools? These are the problematic methods you have learned in unit number 4. Yes, so chi-square test, ANOVA, yes, These are all the various things we have learned, no? And the last topic is my report writing. What are the structure of report writing? First, it should have table and contents, introduction, body, conclusion. What are the goals? How methodology will be there? What are the data analysis findings, from where you have got all this information? What is the conclusion you will give in this particular report writing, and what is the bibliography, and appendix is also one of the main important concept, ma. Okay, so that's it, ma, for this quick revision. I hope that you have got every concept clearly. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. Whether this useful video is useful or not, also let me know in the comment section. All the very best. See you all in the next video. Bye bye everyone.